Oh, hey folks. Tonight we're going to talk about the drill press.
Okay, just say hi, my name's JP.
Hi, my name's JP. Today we're going to demonstrate drill press. This is a Craftsman drill press. It's 1 horsepower. I picked up a garage sale for 150 bucks. It's a very versatile piece of tooling for your home shop. It's good for drilling holes, of course, and if you want real accurate holes, is the way to go. A little different, maybe guys haven't seen before. Work head up here. Chuck goes in there. Put the chuck. Tighten it. I always tie my chuck key to the drill press because it's a real pain in the ass if you can't find it when you need it. Just tighten it up like that. I'm going to raise my drill press. This lever here brings the chuck and head down. I'm going to loosen this key back here. Give a few turns of the handle. Brings your stock up closer. Yeah, maybe want to find a little bit bigger piece. I'll use this piece of 2x4. Down here. I like to have a little C-clamp on here that holds your stock, whatever you're drilling, so it doesn't fling around on you. Makes it a little safer so it doesn't flip around and hit you. This one comes with a light. Some do, some don't, so. Turn it on. Maybe we'll drill a couple holes for you. Yeah, I go Pete. How much more beer do I have to drink? Oh, okay. Yeah, I go piss. Oh, man. This is fucking boring. Sounds real fun. We're gonna do a field strip on a AK47. So first thing you want to do is push this little button back here. Pull dust cover off. The main string. Grab the cocking handle. The whole mainspring. Piston out. There you go. Clean the bore with my homemade bore snake. Expensive one, but it works just as good as those $45 ones you buy at the store. Just pull the oil on it. And reverse what we talked about. Dust cover back on. Pull the cocking handle. Oh fuck, dude! What the fuck? How that fucking happened? We need to get here now. Now. I have a warrant for my arrest.